Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Emma started a quiz club in her school. In the first week, she recruited 2 members for the club. From the second week, each new member recruited in the previous week recruited 2 new members each. So, how many members are there in the club after 4 weeks, including Emma? We have to find out. So, let's say in the first week, Emma recruited 2 members, let's say M1 and M2. Now it is given in the question that from the second week, each new member recruits 2 new members. So this M1 will recruit 2 new members, let's say M3, M4, and M2 will recruit 2 members, let's say M5, M6. So this is our second week. So what will happen in third week? Again, M3 will recruit 2 members, M4 will recruit 2 members, M5 will recruit 2 members, and similarly M6 will recruit 2 members. Let's say these are the members M7, M8, M9, M10, M11, M12 and M13, M14. So this is our third week. Similarly, in the fourth week, again M7 will recruit 2 members, then 2 members, 2 members, 2 members, 2 members and then 2 members. So this is our fourth week. Now we have to find that how many members are there in the club after 4 weeks, and we have to include Emma also. So we are seeing a pattern here. So in the first week we can see 2 members are there, M1 and M2, and in the second week we can say 4 members are there. So it can be written as 2 square, and in the third week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 members are there. Similarly, in the fourth week, following the similar pattern, the number of members will be 2 to the power 4. So the members are members in the club after fourth week, including Emma. So we have to include Emma also. So including Emma are, let's say Emma represents 1 member. So 1 plus 2 first week, second week there was 2 to the power 2, which is equal to 4. 2 to the power 3 will become 8 and 2 to the power 4 is 16. So let's add this, and if we add this, the total sum will be 31. So 31 is our answer, which is option D. Hence we can say that the answer is option D.